In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create cinematic silhouette portraits with Gemini Nano Banana. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a simple reference photo into a dramatic, high-contrast portrait with that striking rimlit edge and a completely black background. First, open your Gemini account. Use the web or desktop interface so you can easily see your image preview and the full prompt field. Make sure you're signed in and connected to a stable network, so nothing gets interrupted while the image is generating. Next, click the plus icon to start a new creation. This opens a fresh workspace where we'll set up your reference image and enter the prompt. If you're new to the layout, the plus icon simply creates a new project or conversation, giving you a clean slate. Now upload your image. For the best results, choose a clear side profile photo of the person you want to feature. A neutral or dark background helps, but it's not mandatory. The prompt will push everything into deep black. A dark, simple top works well because it disappears into shadow, letting the illuminated edge of the face and neck stand out. Use a high-resolution image and ensure you have permission to use it. Then click Tools and select Create Image. This switches Gemini Nano Banana into image generation mode and lets it treat your upload as the visual reference it should match closely. Next, enter your prompts. To keep this simple and consistent, just copy the prompt I've included in the description below and paste it into the prompt box. That prompt is crafted to produce a powerful, black and white side profile portrait with no midtones, only deep blacks and crisp highlights. It asks for a single, narrow rim light from behind and slightly above the subject, tracing the jawline and skull, while the rest melts into pure darkness. It also emphasizes keeping the face 100% accurate to your reference photo, and it specifies a dark, form-fitting turtleneck that merges into the void. The overall mood is minimalist, conceptual, and cinematic, so the image feels introspective yet visually bold. Once you've pasted the prompt, wait patiently while Gemini generates from your prompt. Processing time can vary depending on your connection and the system load. Avoid clicking away or refreshing during this step. If the first result isn't perfect, you can run it again. Subtle differences in lighting and edge detail can appear between generations. That's it. Open your Gemini account, click the plus icon, upload your image, go to Tools and Create Image, paste the prompt from the description, and wait for the generation. Follow these steps, and you'll create a timeless, cinematic silhouette portrait with clean geometry, intense contrast, and a beautifully precise rim of light.